2024 Toyota Rush GR Sport and the 2024 Mitsubishi-Xpander-Cross are two popular choices in the compact SUV segment in Indonesia. Both offer a blend of practicality, style, and off-road capability. Let's compare the two. Exterior. Toyota Rush GR Sport sports a more aggressive look with sportier body kits, black accents, and GR Sport badges. Mitsubishi-Xpander-Cross offers a bolder and more rugged appearance with plastic cladding, roof rails, and a higher ground clearance. Interior. Toyota Rush GR Sport generally has a more driver-focused interior with a mix of sporty and practical elements. Mitsubishi-Xpander-Cross provides a spacious and family-oriented cabin with comfortable seating and ample storage. Performance. Toyota Rush GR Sport, equipped with a capable engine for city driving and light off-roading. Mitsubishi-Xpander-Cross offers a balance of performance and fuel efficiency, suitable for both urban and suburban environments. Features. Both models come with a range of features, including infotainment systems, safety features, and modern conveniences. However, specific features may vary between trims and model years. Price estimated. Toyota Rush GR Sport, starting around $20,000. Mitsubishi-Xpander-Cross, starting around $22,000. Which one to choose? The best choice depends on your priorities. Choose the Rush GR Sport if you prioritize a sporty and dynamic driving experience. You prefer a more driver-focused interior. You value the Toyota brand and its resale value. Choose the Xpander-Cross if you need a spacious and family-friendly SUV. You prefer a rugged and adventurous look. You prioritize comfort and practicality. It's highly recommended to test drive both models to determine which one suits your needs and preferences best. Would you like to know more about specific features, pricing, or perhaps compare them to other models in the segment? Performance. Toyota Rush GR Sport. Engine, 1.5L 4-cylinder engine. Power, approximately 102 horsepower. Transmission, for speed automatic or 5-speed manual. Drive type, rear-wheel drive, RWD. Mitsubishi-Xpander-Cross. Engine, 1.5L 4-cylinder engine. Power, approximately 105 horsepower. Transmission, for speed automatic or 5-speed manual. Drive type, front-wheel drive, FWD. Dimensions. Toyota Rush GR Sport. Length, 4,435 millimeters. Width, 1,695 millimeters. Height, 1,705 millimeters. Wheelbase, 2,685 millimeters. Ground clearance, 220 millimeters. Mitsubishi-Xpander-Cross. Length, 4,500 millimeters. Width, 1,800 millimeters. Height, 1,750 millimeters. Wheelbase, 2,775 millimeters. Ground clearance, 225 millimeters. Interior and features. Toyota Rush GR Sport. Seating capacity, 7. Infotainment, 7-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Safety, 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, vehicle stability control, VSC, hill start assist. Other features, automatic climate control, keyless entry, push-button start. Mitsubishi-Xpander-Cross. Seating capacity, 7. Infotainment, 8-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Safety, 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, active stability control, ASC, hill start assist. Other features, automatic climate control, keyless entry, push-button start, LED headlights. Exterior. Toyota Rush GR Sport. Sporty body kit with GR Sport badging. LED headlights and taillights. 17-inch alloy wheels. Mitsubishi-Xpander-Cross. Rugged crossover design. LED headlights and taillights. 17-inch alloy wheels. Price estimated. Toyota Rush GR Sport, starting around $20,000. Mitsubishi-Xpander-Cross, starting around $22,000. Summary. Performance: both vehicles have similar engines, but the Xpander-Cross offers a slight edge in power. Dimensions: the Xpander-Cross is slightly larger and offers a higher ground clearance. Features: the Xpander-Cross has a larger touchscreen and similar safety features. Price: the Rush GR Sport is slightly more affordable. These compact SUVs are designed for families needing versatility, safety, and modern amenities. The choice between them may come down to preference for design, brand loyalty, and specific feature sets. Fuel efficiency. Toyota Rush GR Sport. Estimated fuel efficiency, approximately 14 to 15 km/L, combined. Mitsubishi-Xpander-Cross. Estimated fuel efficiency, approximately 13 to 14 km/L, combined. Handling and ride comfort. Toyota Rush GR Sport. Suspension, front McPherson strut, rear multi-link. Ride comfort, designed for urban driving and light off-road use, with a focus on a comfortable ride. Handling, sport tuned for better handling and agility. Mitsubishi-Xpander-Cross. Suspension, front McPherson strut, rear torsion beam. Ride comfort, built for a comfortable and smooth ride, even on rough roads. Handling, tuned for stability and comfort, suitable for urban and suburban environments. Technology and infotainment. Toyota Rush GR Sport. Infotainment, 7-inch touchscreen with smartphone integration. Connectivity, Bluetooth, USB ports, auxiliary input. Audio, 6-speaker sound system. Navigation, optional built-in GPS navigation. Mitsubishi-Xpander-Cross. Infotainment, 8-inch touchscreen with smartphone integration. Connectivity, Bluetooth, USB ports, auxiliary input. Audio, 6-speaker sound system. Navigation, optional built-in GPS navigation. Safety and driver assistance. Toyota Rush GR Sport. Advanced safety, Toyota Safety Sense package, including pre-collision system, lane departure alert, and automatic high beams. Driver assistance, rear view camera, parking sensors, cruise control. Mitsubishi-Xpander-Cross. Advanced safety, Mitsubishi's Rise, reinforced impact safety evolution, body, forward collision mitigation, lane departure warning. Driver assistance, rear view camera, parking sensors, cruise control. Warranty and maintenance. Toyota Rush GR Sport. Warranty, 3 years per 100,000 kilometers. Maintenance, complimentary maintenance for the first year or 15,000 kilometers. Mitsubishi-Xpander-Cross. Warranty, 3 years per 100,000 kilometers. Maintenance, complimentary maintenance for the first year or 20,000 kilometers. Pros and cons. Toyota Rush GR Sport. Pros. Sporty design with GR Sport enhancements. Slightly better fuel efficiency. Strong safety features with Toyota Safety Sense. Cons. Smaller infotainment screen. Slightly less power compared to Xpander-Cross. Mitsubishi-Xpander-Cross. Pros. Larger dimensions and higher ground clearance. Bigger touchscreen infotainment system. Rugged crossover design with practical features. Cons. Slightly lower fuel efficiency. Higher starting price. Conclusion. The 2024 Toyota Rush GR Sport and the 2024 Mitsubishi-Xpander-Cross both offer strong value in the compact SUV segment. The Rush GR Sport stands out with its sporty design, slightly better fuel efficiency, and comprehensive safety features. On the other hand, the Xpander-Cross provides a larger and more rugged design, a bigger infotainment screen, and higher ground clearance, making it more suitable for varied road conditions. Your choice will depend on whether you prioritize a sportier look and efficiency or a more spacious and feature-rich experience.